Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick inspection on the toilet. Here you can obviously see I can move this toilet quite easily. I don't want to remove that or move that wax too much down below. And then you can tell that when I flush it, I can't. It doesn't flush unless you hold it down. So the reason being is probably because that float inside here on that rubber is probably not connected. So I'm going to go ahead and put the condition as a minor because it's fixable. I'll put down there. Bolts are missing. And there's one right there. So I'll say loose toilet screws, flushing, float, bad. There you go. So it's a minor concern, so the only way it flushes is if I hold that down. There it is. And that's that.